something like there is an imaginary circle, and the polygon is inside. That is inscribed polygon, and circumscribed is like imaginary circle, the polygon is out. So something like that. No? So let's just select inscribed polygon. And when we talk about polygon, what is the, the major thing that we need to adjust? What's the major thing we need to adjust? The what? When it comes to polygon, the number of sides. This is a polygon, no? So it can be actually here, you can adjust it, but actually in the first exercise is already 6. So we are now ready to draw it. So just click the center. Make sure that you are clicking polygon. So from the center, okay, what is the radius? 500. And if you're going to press escape once, actually, no, it will just escape you from the current or the last thing that you draw, but it will not let you escape from the wall tool. Okay, so now for the second exercise, how many sides are there? There are 8 number of sides. So click here and change it to 8, enter. Okay. Or if you already press escape, you can just simply go to the wall tool again, change to inscribe polygon, and change the number of sides to 8. And now again, start the center, click the center, and to 100. Okay. So try to do the last exercise for the polygon. I'll be up for 5 minutes. How many sides are Circle. Let's draw a circle. Did you draw the circle? And did you find any something, small an issue with the circle? What about the circle? How did you draw the circle? Huh? What about the second and the third? How were you able to manage to draw it? So draw the circle. Yeah, from the wall. All the things we're going to draw for the drawing tool for the wall. Now, draw the first one. So for the second one, okay, draw first the first one. Done? Okay. For the second one, what did you notice? The given data is diameter. No? So how are you going to achieve it? No? Okay, you can do like this. Let's draw the second one. Ready for the second one, sir? Okay. Let's draw a circle. Again. For the second one. Let's draw it. No? So circle tool, you can do this. No? Specify the center point and then equal sign like Excel. No? So now, for 200 divided by 2. So you will get the radius. Okay. Same Excel. The problem is that in Revit, they don't know or did not provide any way on how to put it diameter directly. In AutoCAD, if you say C, D, diameter, D for diameter, and then enter. But this time, no. So just like the third one, do the third one. Equal sign 800 divided by 2, you will get the radius. The second one. You did not draw anything at all, huh? Wall tool. Let's go wall tool. Circle. Circle. Click the center point. Move your mouse to the right, something like this. And then start with equal sign. For 200 divided by this symbol 2. Enter. So that's the radius. So the third one as well. Do the third one as well. Sir, we're going to go